In recent times, security agencies in the country have had the spotlight on them because of some excesses from them. As an evolving democracy, the work of national security institutions, particularly those from the intelligence unit, would need to be realigned to suit the changing times, especially when it comes to the application of their powers. In a bid to solve some of these lingering challenges, a security expert and a lawyer has authored a book on the principles of security law. Speaking at the launch of the book, former National Security Coordinator Francis Poku called for reforms in the operations of the intelligence agencies in the country.
National progress must be underpinned by the economic welfare of the nation. So as a nation, we have to debate and find out what national security institutions should be doing. And in my own opinion, this is a good work, trying to focus our minds on what our national security institutions do for us.
In a region where activities of non-state actors threaten the whole sub-region, it has become imperative that national security agencies stop looking at protecting government in power and look outside a bit for external threats. International relations expert Irbad Ibrahim, in his review of the book, said the author's ability to delve into the law that empowers national security agencies was insightful.
The book, Dickson on Principles of Security Law, is quite voluminous and is divided into three major parts. The first part of the book, Fundamentals of Security Law, has 9 chapters that sequentially build momentum from the rudiments of security law to the complexity of intelligence law.
A former national security operative himself, Osei Bonsu Dickson, spoke about what motivated him to write the book.
The international dimensions about security are less known in this country. And so I think that in the fullness of time, people begin to appreciate and begin to accept that international human rights, for example, international the laws of war, for instance, and various other enactments that are of international scope and that bears on the conduct of security persons are important. I think that these things will change the way we approach human rights, especially when we are in an election year.
Prominent among those who attended the book launch was Professor Ken Atifwa, Justice Che Bafo, and Kofi Kwansen. Frank Nyonato, Metro News, Accra.